Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the gaming performance of Minecraft on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now in today's video, I will play Minecraft on all the graphics with the maximum frame rate supported. Now as you can see, the battery is currently at 67% and the battery temperature is at 33.3 degrees Celsius. Now the Samsung Galaxy A26 supports Minecraft on simple graphics with the maximum frame rate, and it supports fancy graphics with the maximum frame rate, and it also supports vibrant visuals on the maximum settings. Now it does not support ray traced. Now first of all, I will play Minecraft on simple graphics with the maximum frame rate. Now I'm feeling some FPS drops. Now the gaming performance of Minecraft on simple graphics with the maximum frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is normal. Now let's increase the graphics to fancy and the FPS to the maximum. Now as you can see, it is dropping frames while I'm moving my character. Now the gaming performance of Minecraft on fancy graphics with the maximum frame rate is pretty good. I did not face any lag, but I faced some FPS drops while playing the game, and the temperature of the smartphone is a little bit warm. Now let's increase the graphics to vibrant visuals and all the settings to the maximum. And on the vibrant visuals, I will start screen recording while playing the game. Now as you can see, the FPS is very low and it is lagging a little bit. As you can see, the FPS is very low. Now the gaming performance of Minecraft on vibrant visuals with the maximum settings is not that good. I felt some lag and the FPS was very low while I was playing the game, and I was screen recording the whole time I was playing the game. And this is the gaming performance of Minecraft on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.